At 81 years old, I finally understand something beautiful. Life has a strange, almost poetic way of bringing you to your knees right before it gives you wings. I have stood in the wreckage of my own plans more times than I can count. And today, I want to talk to you about the incredible, unpredictable twists and turns that define a man's journey. If you feel like you're at a dead end, listen closely. My life turned around when I least expected it. Yours can too. Go ahead and get settled. Take a moment for yourself. We live in a world that tells us that after a certain age, the story is written. They say the ink is dry. They say there are no more surprises left. But at 81, I am living proof that the most beautiful chapters can be written when you think the book is already over. Let me be very honest with you here. I didn't always have this perspective. There were times when I was convinced that I had lost everything that mattered. Think about your own life for a second. Have you ever faced a twist that changed everything? A moment where the floor just disappeared? I've been there. One mistake I won't repeat is believing that a single failure defines the rest of the map. In my late 50s, I hit a wall. I thought it was insurmountable. I lost a business I had built for 2 decades. I lost the respect of people I considered peers. I looked in the mirror and saw a man who had run out of time. This quietly cost me my peace for a long, long time. I felt like the captain of a sinking ship with no lifeboat. But this is what 8 decades of living taught me. Life is not a straight line. It is a series of loops, spirals, and sudden detours. Most men don't realize this until it hurts. But the detour is often the actual path. When that business collapsed, it felt like the end of the world. In reality, it was the only thing that could have forced me to discover who I was. I was no longer a title on a business card. I was just a man. This was a heavy price to pay, but it led me to a freedom I never would have found in that office. It was a turnaround of the soul. Let me ask you something. Which detour changed your life for the better, even if it hurt at the time? I'd love to read your stories in the comments. It reminds us all that we aren't alone. Something I misunderstood for years was the concept of too late. We are conditioned to believe in a strict timeline. You must achieve this by 30. You must be settled by 60. If you miss a beat, you feel like you've failed the song. But life doesn't keep time like a clock. It keeps time like a heart. I've seen men start their greatest adventures at 70. I've seen love found in the hallways of nursing homes. I've seen broken families mend after 30 years of silence. This obsession with the clock quietly ruined my youth. If I could go back, I would tell myself that as long as there is breath in your lungs, the plot can still change. The most dramatic turnarounds I've experienced happened after I stopped trying to force the river. I wanted to control the flow. I wanted to decide the destination. This quietly cost me my peace for years. But the moment I surrendered, everything began to shift. The turns became easier to navigate. This brings me to a very personal realization. I would never again underestimate the power of a single connection. There was a time when I was incredibly lonely. I was surrounded by people, yet I felt invisible. I thought my social circle was set in stone. But then, a chance meeting in a park changed everything. I met a man who was even older than me. He showed me that curiosity is the true fountain of youth. He became a brother to me when I thought I was done making friends. If you are feeling isolated today, please hear me. Your tribe might still be out there. Don't close the door. Don't assume that because you've reached a certain age, you've met everyone you're supposed to meet. One mistake I won't repeat is staying inside my own shell out of pride. It takes courage to reach out, but that one hello can be the pivot point. It can be the moment your life turns around. Let's be very honest here about the darker turns. Life doesn't just give, it takes. I've faced loss that felt like it would swallow me whole. I've said goodbye to people who were the very sun in my sky. For a long time, I thought that grief was a sign that my life was over. I thought the joy had been permanently drained out of me. But even grief has a turnaround. This quietly cost me my peace until I realized something vital. Loss is the price we pay for having loved deeply, and that love doesn't disappear. It just changes form. I started to see the legacy of those I lost in the way I spoke. I saw it in the way I treated others. My life turned around when I stopped looking for what was gone. I started looking at what they had left behind inside of me. This was a heavy price to pay for wisdom, but it made me a deeper, kinder man. It gave me a hope that isn't easily shaken. Something I misunderstood for years was the role of money in a turnaround. I used to think that a life turning around meant getting rich again. I thought it meant getting back the big house, the expensive toys, the status. But at 81, I realized that the most profound turnarounds are internal. You can have all the money in the world and still be a prisoner of your own fear. You can have very little and be the freest man on earth. One mistake I won't repeat is measuring my worth by my bank account. When my finances were at their lowest, my character had the chance to be at its highest. I learned how to be resourceful. I learned who my real friends were. I learned that a simple meal shared with someone who loves you is worth more than a banquet with strangers. This quietly cost me my peace for decades, chasing a number that was never enough. If your life needs a turnaround, start with how you value yourself, not what you own. This was a heavy price to pay, but it led me to discover the power of silence. I used to think I had to scream to be heard. I thought I had to be the loudest person in the room to be relevant. But the world is already too loud. True power is quiet. It's found in the early morning when the world is still. It's found in the deep breath you take before you respond to an insult. I would never again ignore the whispers of my own soul. I spent so much time listening to the news and the gossip. I couldn't hear my own intuition. My life turned around the day I started to trust myself again. It turned around when I realized that I didn't need a map from someone else. I had a compass inside me all along. This shift from noise to silence is where the real magic happens. It's where you find the strength to face the next turn in the road. Most men don't realize this until it hurts, but our bodies are part of the turnaround too. I used to treat my health like an afterthought. I thought I could fix it later. But you can't have a vibrant third act if you've burned down the theater. However, even here, there is a turnaround. I started taking care of myself at 65. The difference it made was staggering. It's never too late to start moving. It's never too late to start respecting the vessel that carries you. I would never again take my physical strength for granted, even if it's just a short walk, even if it's just stretching in the morning. Do it. Respect the machine. My life turned around physically when I stopped trying to be a young athlete. I started being a wise guardian of my health. This quietly cost me my peace when I was in pain. But the turnaround came when I chose consistency over intensity. Now, let's talk about the turnaround in relationships. I've seen marriages on the brink find a new, deeper love. I've seen fathers and sons find their way back after 10 years of silence. This is the most beautiful twist of all. If you are holding a grudge, don't assume that wall is permanent. One thing I've learned is that it's never too late to say I was wrong. Pride is a heavy burden to carry into your 80s. Drop it. The turnaround happens the moment you prioritize connection over being right. This quietly cost me years of family joy, but the reconciliation was worth every ounce of effort. It reminded me that we are here for each other, not against each other. as I look at you now, I want you to consider your own story. Maybe you feel stuck. Maybe you feel like the best years are gone. But what if the next turn in the road is the one that leads to your greatest joy? What if the setback you are facing right now is actually a setup for something incredible? I would never again live with a closed heart. At 81, I am still surprised by the kindness of strangers. I am surprised by the beauty of a sunrise. My life turned around because I decided to keep showing up. I decided to keep my eyes open and my heart willing. Now, before I leave you, I have a request. If this conversation about the twists and turns of life touched you, please subscribe to this channel. My mission is to share these 81 years of perspective with men who might be facing a difficult turn right now. If you found hope in these words, hit that like button. It helps this message reach the men who need to hear that it's not over yet. And please share your story in the comments. Have you ever had a moment where your life turned around in a way you didn't expect? What was the moment that changed everything? I read your comments. They remind me that we are all walking this path together. Your story might be the exact hope someone else needs today. You don't have to be 81 to understand that the story isn't over. You can decide today that the next chapter will be different. You can forgive yourself for the previous pages. You can start writing a new one with a steady hand. You have more power than you realize to change the direction of your sail. I've learned that a man's life isn't defined by the destination. It's defined by how he handles the detours. It isn't measured by how many times he stayed on the path. It's measured by how he found his way back when he was lost. I spent too many years being afraid of the turns. I hope you learn to embrace them. The world will tell you to be afraid of change. My 81 years tell you that change is the only thing that brings growth. Don't fear the twists and turns. They are evidence that you are still in the game. They are signs that life still has something to teach you. I'm going to sit here for a moment and just be grateful. I'm grateful for the road I've traveled. Even the bumps, even the sharp corners. I hope you do the same. Look at your life as a grand adventure that is still unfolding. Life is a beautiful, messy journey. Don't miss the next turn because you were too busy crying over the last one. Take care of yourself, my friend. Keep your heart open to the surprises. Keep your head up. And remember, the best turn of all is the one that leads you back to your true self. It is never too late to start over. It is never too late to believe in the turnaround. I'll be here if you ever want to talk again. Just remember, the road is long, the turns are many, but the journey is worth every single mile. Use your time for peace. Use it for hope. I wish you a life full of surprising turns and the strength to enjoy every single one of them. Goodbye for now.